Commissioner Faildon,
Yes, Your Honor.
you admitted also that there
Yes,
was
Your
a
Honor.
TARA system during your tenure.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, may I ask the representative of the Bureau of Customs, meron po bang TARA system ngayon?
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I have no experience or knowledge on that TARA system, Your Honor. Currently,
long-
I'm just with the legal service of the
How
Bureau
long
of Customs.
have you been in the Bureau of Customs?
I've been with the Bureau of Customs since 2009, Your Honor.
And you do not know of the existence of a TARA system within your department or your office?
As to the existence, Your Honor, I have no personal knowledge of that.
I'm not asking whether you have personal knowledge.
Yes, Your Honor, if not personal knowledge, I've heard about it during discussions like this forum, during investigations. Sa mga kwentuhan, Your Honor, narinig ko, pero wala akong experience on that, Your Honor.
Attorney,
Yes, sir.
hindi naman galing sa Bureau of Customs yung report sa amin. Galing sa mga broker mismo. Yung nakikipag-deal sa customs na may TARA system. I do not know. You have been with customs since 2009, and you, in this committee, the two customs director already admitted that there was a TARA system during the term. Tapos ngayon, ang tanong ko, meron pa ba sa Bureau of Customs? Sabi mo, attorney, you do not know. You do not have any personal knowledge. Did you take your oath?
No, he has not taken his oath yet, Your Honor, but we can administer the oath now. Comsec, please.
I think it is necessary, Mr. Chair, so that if I find him lying, then I can move to cite him in contempt.
Okay. Please, Comsec, administer the oath of Attorney Langkay from the Bureau of Customs.
Sir, please stand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this congressional inquiry, so God may help you? Yes, the oath has been administered, sir.
Thank you, Comsec. Please proceed, Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I do not know, attorney, if in the previous hearing, present po kayo.
I was not present, Your Honor.
It was Attorney Boca?
I think it's
Boco,
Attorney Dibuco, Your Honor, one of the chiefs who is under the legal service, Your Honor.
I agree. At halos parehas kayo ng sagot. You do not have personal knowledge. Yun din ang sagot nung representative ng Customs in the last hearing. But I would like to tell you, dalawa na yung naging commissioner ng Customs. Sinabi po nila, inamin nila na may TARA system. Si Mr. Jimmy Guban, who had been with Customs, inamin din niya na may TARA system. Si Mr. Taguba, na nakikipag-deal dun sa Customs, inamin din niya na may TARA system. Kayo na lang po, na nandun sa Customs currently, ang hindi po umaamin na merong TARA system. Ulitin ko yung sinabi ko nung last hearing. Pag nawala na yung Friday habit ng Customs at 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Friday, maniniwala na po ako na walang TARA system. Now, may I ask, do you want to refute that, attorney? Pati si Senator Lacson, in one of his privileged speeches, sinabi rin niya yan.
Your Honor, can I...
Do you want to refute my statement?
No, Your Honor, I just want to say something about it.
You ask the permission of the chairman. The rules.
Mr. Chair, can I make a
Please proceed.
manifestation on that matter, Your Honor? Considering that a certain Mr. Taguba is saying that there is a TARA system and he has experienced it, Your Honor. As a lawyer, Your Honor, may I just suggest, Your Honor, that a proper complaint affidavit identifying the specific circumstances on which he actually paid TARA and identifying the, Your Honor, please, with due respect, the persons or individuals involved so that the proper appropriate administrative or criminal action can be undertaken, Your Honor. Please, that's just my idea, Your Honor. Thank you.
If I may, Congressman Acop, Attorney, yung pagtatanong tungkol doon ba sa TARA system, kung ito ba ay existing hanggang sa ngayon, ay nasa konteksto po nung paghingi ng information na patuloy pa ba itong mga ganitong mga gawain dyan sa loob ng customs. Of course, we're not saying that you are involved in that kind of illegal system. What we're saying is that you may probably have heard from the sources or grapevines or even perhaps some of your colleagues na merong ganitong nangyayari. Yun ang konteksto ng pagtatanong. Kasi dalawang former commissioner nagsabi meron. Diba? Yung broker na nagnenegosyo sa loob, sinasabi meron. Yung intelligence officer na taga-loob ng custom, sinasabi meron. Ikaw na taga-loob ka ng custom, sinasabi mo, hindi mo, wala. Diba? So ano yun? Yung please, you probably have heard that there are stories about the TARA system inside. Kasi sa tagal mo dyan, imposible. Di ba, Attorney? Yes, please.
Your Honor, can I expound, Your Honor? Since I joined the Bureau, I've heard stories about the TARA system. And it seems that the TARA system was in place even before this container shipments was in place.
Yes.
Because shipments before was in open. There's no modal containers. It's not covered. So in open. So they make the TARA, they count. TARA is a counting system at that time, Your Honor. That they make. Yes.
Attorney,
That was the context, Your Honor, and then that I explained that I heard. Then eventually, Your Honor, during my stint in the Bureau of Customs, I also heard it during inquiries, just like what happened during the inquiry in this EMT case, Your Honor, please.
Hindi, ang sinasabi, you're lecturing us on the sinasabi mong TARA na yung the usual word, the real definition of TARA. But in this case, in the context of the questions raised by Congressman Acop, yung TARang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay yung lagay, ay yung grease money. Ang tanong, ulitin natin, tinatanong ni Congressman Acop, meron pa bang grease money o TARA dyan sa Bureau of Customs sa ngayon?
As of now, Your Honor, I have no information about a TARA system ongoing with the Bureau of Customs.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, see.
alam mo, nakakagalit to. I think you're lying to us. You know, you have been there for quite a time. If the commissioners know about that, why don't you know? You're a lawyer. My goodness, and you're even telling us, suggesting to us that Mr. Tagupa file a complaint? My goodness, Mr. Chair, pasensya po kayo, pero talagang kinakailan sabihin ko to eh.
So, thank you, Congressman Abante. Please proceed, Congressman Acop.
Before I proceed, Mr. Chair, I would just like to make a manifestation. Attorney, in the last hearing also, a representative of the Customs Police appeared here as a resource person in the name of Major Cascolan. Inamin din po niya na merong TARA system. I am surprised na kayong dalawa na nandun sa legal department, parehas kayo ng sagot. It is off record, Attorney. Now, may I proceed, Mr. Chair? I would like to ask the two commissioners. Inamin niyo po na merong TARA system at may, sa pagtatanong ni Honorable Abante, may mga nawawala para sa gobyerno. Tama po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, may I know, have you ever estimated the amount of money that government is losing because of this TARA system annually? Para makita natin anong epekto nito sa ating bansa. Have you ever conducted an investigation on the estimate of money lost by government annually?
Mr. Chair. Well, for easy computation, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, say the container ban is valued at
With your indulgence, Sid, my question is, have you ever conducted an investigation to estimate the amount of losses of government because of the TARA system? Have you ever done that?
During my time, I did, sir.
You did.
Yes, Your Honor.
How about you, Commissioner Sid?
yes, Your Honor.
Now, what was the result of your investigation? May I know?
During my time, Your Honor, there's around 2,500 containers coming to the country every day. If the TARA system applies at that time, it's around 30,000. So annually, the government is losing around 27 billion, Your Honor.
B?
Yes, Your Honor. That's my estimate during my time.
27B per year.
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the 2,500 containers coming in daily during my time, Your Honor.
Sid?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, practically it's almost the same, Your Honor. Yeah, if you compute losses of 200,000 per shipment at 10 per importer, and if you have 250,000 containers, if the value of that 250,000 is
So 2,500 containers a day. Yun po ang statement ni
Yes, Your Honor.
Commissioner Faeldon, hindi 250,000.
Yeah, I agree with the computation of Commissioner Paildon, Your Honor.
That would be
Yes,
the same amount.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, may I ask the current Bureau of Customs, the representative, do you know of this? Siguro wala dahil you do not know whether there's a TARA system or not. Tama po ba, Attorney?
I don't have I don't have those numbers, Your Honor.
You could just imagine if the calculations of both the former commissioners would be true, 27 billion na nawawala sa atin annually.
Am I right, Attorney?
Wala
kang
siyang alam sa TARA.
May I be clarified, Your Honor?
Yeah, you're clarifying na. Wala kang alam, di ba?
Your
Sa
Honor,
TARA system, wala kang alam, di ba?
I have no information on that, Your Honor.
Wala kang alam.
Kaya si Chairman...
Wala kang alam, di ba?
Oo, wala. Wala siyang alam.
Oh. Mr. Chair, para hindi ako maniwala na ikaw ang fall guy ng Bureau of Customs, we would like to see Commissioner Rubio attend this hearing.
Okay.
Panahon pa ni Commissioner Paildon, andiyan ka na sa Customs, Mr. Chair. Panahon pa ni Commissioner Paildon. Commissioner La Peña, nandun ka na sa Customs. And you're telling me right now you have no information on that? My goodness, anong palagay mo sa amin dito? Ha?
Mr. Chair, can I answer?
Okay,
I've been with the Bureau of Customs with the legal service since 2009. Yes, I've been one of the lawyers of Commissioner La Peña and Commissioner Faeldon, Your Honor. Always with the legal service. Your Honor, please. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Okay.
Comsec, please include in the
Mr.
list
Chair.
of persons to be invited, Commissioner Rubio of Bureau of Customs. Yes, Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of...
With the indulgence of the Honorable Castro. Attorney, para bang ang sinasabi mo, yung ibang opisina ng Customs may TARA system, o alam nila yung TARA system, pero yung legal office ng Customs, walang alam. Yun po ba ang ibig nyo sabihin? Tinatanong ko po kayo. Kasi yun ang parang message na pinadadala o sinasabi nyo sa amin. Palagi mong sinasabi, you are with the legal service of the Bureau of Customs. Para bang sinasabi mo, lahat, yung mga ibang opisina ng Bureau of Customs, alam nila, o may TARA system, yung opisina nyo lang ang wala. Would that be correct?
Your Honor, from the testimonies of...
What? Ang tanong ko po would that be correct?
Explain, Your Honor, because from the testimonies of Commissioner Faeldon and Commissioner Lapenyan, Your Honor, it involves the processing of
that is not my
importations,
question,
Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman. May I ask that the resource person appropriately answer my question? Is that the message you're trying to tell us? Na yung legal service office ng Bureau of Customs, wala pong kaalam-alam sa existing na TARA system sa Bureau of Customs?
For the record, Your Honor, I mean, from our records, Your Honor, we are trying administrative cases.
Hindi ko po tinatanong kung ano po yung trabaho niyo, attorney.
And, Your Honor, please.
Sandali lang, nagsasalita pa ako. Malapit na kitang i-move to cite you in contempt. Bihira kong ginagawa yun, pero ikaw malapit ka na. Mr. Chair, may I request that the resource person be directed to answer my question with a yes or no?
Attorney, please answer the query of Congressman Akop.
Then my answer is yes, Your Honor.
It's yes na kayo po sa legal service ng Bureau of Customs, wala kayong alam at walang TARA system doon sa inyo.
Can I explain, Your Honor?
Sumagot ka na muna bago ka mag-explain. Di ba? Pag may question yes. Tinurang ka rin siguro sa law na sagutin mo muna ng yes and then you explain.
Okay, my answer is yes, Your Honor, because in the current cases that we handle, particularly on administrative cases, Your Honor, we don't have a case wherein a individual personnel of the BOC is charged with a TARA system or receiving TARA system. Even the criminal cases that we handle with the DOJ and criminal in the court, Your Honor, as far as the records or my knowledge is concerned, Your Honor, we don't have a case on that, Your Honor. So that's why I have suggested earlier on, Your Honor, about the circumstances that Mr. Taguba mentioned, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor, that's...
Mr. Chair, I do not want to take more of the time of the Honorable Castro. I'll stop here.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Let me just get 30 seconds of your
Okay.
time, if I may. Just a follow-up question. Kasi ang legal department that Attorney Langkay heads, apparently, according to him, has no knowledge about the TARA system. Tanungin kaya natin yung nagbibigay ng TARA. Mark Taguba, inamin mo naman na ang kasalanan mo ay yung nagbibigay ka ng TARA, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, kasama ba ang legal department sa TARA?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay, so wala nung 2009 na napasok ka sa customs, nasa legal department ka na?
Yes, sir. Sa
So
legal
you've
service
never
po.
been a deputy port collector ng Manila Port?
Hindi po.
Never?
Never.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Sige, okay, thank you. The next to
Deputy
interpolate...
collector, yes, sir. As deputy collector of
Hindi,
Port
that's
of
my
Manila.
question. So you were a deputy collector
Yes, for operations, sir.
ng operations,
Yes,
tama?
sir. Yes, sir.
So, alam mo na merong TARA.
Ay,
Alam mo siguro mayroong TARA. Dahil sabi mo kanina, the reason why you don't know because you've been in the legal department. And kinonfirm naman kanina ni Taguba na hindi kasama sa listahan ng bibigyan ng TARA, yung legal. Pero nasa port operations ka eh.
concurrent po ako sa legal service at the same time
Oh,
sa
so hindi mo
Deputy
alam yun.
Collector Fund.
Paninindigan mo yun, attorney.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, sige, salamat. We will go, babalikan natin yon mamaya. So,
Mr.
here-
Chair, gusto ko lang pong sabihin in manifestation na dahil lang po sa TARA system na ito, tumataas ang bilihin ng mga commodities, ng mga important goods. Whether it be rice, lahat. Pero pang rice smuggling tumataas po ang bilihin. Kawawa po ang bayang Pilipino, lalo na ang mga mahihirap tungkol dito. Dahil lang sa TARA system na yan. Dapat, mahinto na yan. Tama ba ako, Commissioner Peldon? Dapat mahinto na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ikaw naman, Commissioner Peña.
Yes, Honor. Your Honor.
Oo. Ikaw, attorney. At mahinto na, di ba?
It should be stopped, Your Honor.
Oh. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
during your time kasi, when you were the Deputy Port Collector of Manila, maraming ukay-ukay. At dumaan sa area nyo. At nang dumaan yan sa inyo, lumusot yan, alam nyong illegal yan. So, dahil merong tara. Anyway, babalikan din natin yan. So,